Hello, mathematicians. I'm so glad you joined me today for making counting collections. Now, to do this, you're first going to need your flashcards that we've been using this week that have teen numbers on them. So if for some reason you don't have these, exit this video and watch the video that's called Math, Making Flashcards for Teen Numbers, because you're going to need these flashcards to do today's activity for your math brain. So you'll remember that these flashcards show teen numbers and show them four different ways: with a numeral, with a collection of dots, with an equation, and with a number bond. So, upside down, a number bond. So it'll show you one teen number away, one of those four ways. And we're going to use our flashcards today as inspiration to make our own counting collections. So we know that usually when we do counting collections, we start with a whole or a quantity, and we use a strategy like touch one, count one, or making sets in order to figure out what that whole or quantity is. Today, we're going to do it backwards. So we're going to start with our whole or our quantity, and then we're going to build a counting collection or a set of objects that matches that whole or that quantity. So we're going to start just by simply drawing one of our flashcards. And then once we've used our math brains to figure out what teen number that flashcard is showing, then we're going to find something in our house, some objects, to make a counting collection of that whole or that quantity. Okay? So first thing whenever I'm using my flashcards is I like to scramble them up. Scrambled egg style, like I learned from my mom. So I just scramble them up, make sure I can't see them, that they're all face down. Then I make one nice neat stack, and I'm just going to draw one. I'm just going to draw one flashcard. I got this one. Now I'm going to use my math brain to figure out what teen number this flashcard is showing. There's lots of different ways I can go about doing that. I know that this is a group of 10, so I could know that that's my 10 and I could count on. I could touch one, count one, every single dot. Whatever way works for your math brain is fine. I'm going to count on from 10 because I know that this is an arrangement of 10 dots and I don't need to count it. So I'm just going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is this flashcard showing? 18. So now I'm going to make a counting collection of 18 things that matches this because I know I have 18. So my job is to go around my house and find 18 things that I can then use to build my counting collection, making a group of 10 and however many leftovers I need to make 18. So with a grown-up's permission, of course, you're going to go around your house and take something that you have permission to get to build your counting collection that matches your flashcard. Okay? So you could also use the 10 blocks, the base 10 blocks, the 10 groups and ones that you made for your games last week. That would be an okay thing to do too. So I'm going to go find something in my house that would match. Here I go. I'll be right back. Oh, this is perfect. This will be great. Okay, I found this bag of letters, and I think there are 18 of them. So I'm going to make a counting collection of 18 that matches my flashcard 18. And I'm going to do it by building a group of 10 and then building 8 leftovers, because I know that 10 and 8 is the same as 18. So first I'm going to make my set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that I have 10 in this group right here. I know that I have 10. Now I'm going to do, I think, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I now have 18 that matches my flashcard of 18. And if I'm not sure, I can always touch one, count one, or go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Great. I have made a counting collection of 18 things. So you're going to do the same thing today as many times as you want to. Pull a flashcard, figure out what teen number it's representing using your math brain, and then, with a grown-up's permission, find things in your house to make a counting collection that matches that teen number, making a group of 10 and however many leftover ones that you need. Good luck, mathematicians.